The world's population is predicted to grow from 8 billion today to 9.7 billion in 2050. Population growth is linked with an increase in greenhouse gas emissions, to which our planet is experiencing worsening climate impacts now more than ever at an unprecedented rate. Surely, there have been many climate change solutions which have been developed over the years with sustainability in mind. But have you ever wondered what your furry companion could do about it? Introducing insect-based pet food. Yup, you heard me right. But why do we have to consider this? Did you know that pets consume an estimated of 20% of meat and fish worldwide? The production of dry kibble alone is produced on around 49 million hectares of agricultural land each year, which is almost twice the size of the United Kingdom. Combined with the livestock breeding, annual carbon dioxide emission is linked to an estimate of 106 million tons. Not to mention the large amounts of resources required. What's all the buzz about? So, the first insect-based pet food was introduced in 2015 in Europe as a novel and sustainable protein source. This concept of incorporating insects into pet diets was inspired by the long history of insects as part of the human diet in some cultures. As opposed to rearing larger-bodied livestock, the size of insects allow for less extensive land use in the form of vertical farming, in which large-scale breeding and processing of insects such as the black soldier fly larvae, yellow mealworms, and crickets can be done in limited spacing. So, what's the significance of this? The estimated carbon dioxide emission 100 grams of mealworms can be up to 14 times less than chicken, pork, and beef. Not only that, the insects are fed on organic waste from food for agricultural byproducts, which not only act as a waste treatment, but also produce biofuels and fertilizers sourced from their pupae and excrements. You might be wondering, is this safe and can my pet actually eat this? Well, insects are highly nutritious and protein-packed. In fact, they do not differ from the nutritional value of other meat sources such as chicken, beef, pork, and fish. A recent research found that black soldier fly larvae can be safely incorporated into the diets of even senior dogs. Moreover, consistent feeding showed lowered cholesterol levels in those dogs. Secondly, insect proteins are naturally hypoallergenic, which makes them suitable for those with sensitive skin. To top that off, insects are easily digestible. In fact, nutrients such as proteins and minerals were found to be more digestible from insects than animal proteins. Although insects are highly promising as a sustainable alternative in pet food, further research in aspects such as species quality, potential unknown allergens or hazards, and also the shelf life of insect products is necessary, all of which still carry uncertainties and act as obstacles to achieving mainstream success in the market among the global pet owner community. All in all, sustainable alternatives should be emphasized and their potential not be overlooked. Most importantly, enough awareness and acceptance from pet owners is crucial so that they can act sustainably and make informed decisions in driving this market. I believe your pets are going to love this. Thanks for watching.